No, no more searching. Hey, y'all listen up, beginner growers. If you out there having a hard time debating on which humidifier you should get, search no more. This is one I highly recommend, bro. You can go to your local Walmart straight near you. Not to mention, it has the cool mist and the warm mist. Oh, let's not forget, free filter as well. For those who have dealt with the humidifiers in the past, you know how hard it is when it comes to the cleaning. Hey, like I said, waste no more time. Go to your local Walmart. Get this humidifier ASAP.